Hello friends, welcome back to Python on Phone programming series. In the previous class, we have seen how we can sort a list in the Python program. But I forgot to mention one more thing. So using this sort without any extra parameter, this will sort the given list in the ascending order. So see the output once again. See, we got all the elements in like ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, so on and so forth. What about the descending order? Okay, if you want in the reverse order of a sorted elements, how can we do it? That is pretty straightforward in Python, friends. So we just need to pass extra param here like reverse is equal to true. Now, if you save and run this program, you will get the sorted list in the reverse order. That means the elements will be sorted in the descending order. So please remember that. Okay, so when you are sorting the elements in the Python program. And now this is good. Okay, now let's say uh, I have a list of some 15 elements. I don't know how many elements are there. Okay, but I want to get every alternate element from this given list. How can we access it? Okay, so yeah, maybe it is a little complex, but first let's assume that first let's solve this problem. So I have from some 16 elements here, right? So let's say just I want to get the subset of this list, like first 5 elements I want to print. How can I do it? So we know that, I mean, for accessing a individual element, we use the index value. Okay, so for example, so let me comment out this sorting thing. Now, for example, if you want to print or access the first element from the list, what we do, we use square brackets and we use the index of that particular element here. So in this case, 0 means the first element in the list. So which is 1 here in this case. Okay, so that is clear. See, we got the output 1 here. Okay, what about, let's say I want first 5 elements as a output. Okay, how can we do it? So there is one way is using this list 1 of 0 or and comma and list 1 of 1. So we can use the same list with the single index value multiple times to access individual items. Okay, but if you want the easier method, if you want easier method to get the subset of list in Python program, we use slicing syntax. So for example, for accessing a single element, we use single index. And if you want to access multiple elements, then we use colon after this 0 and till which index you want to access the elements. So in this case, let's say something like 5. So now what will happen? You will get the first, okay, starting from 0, you will get 5 elements. Okay, see here output. See, you got the subset of that particular list. So this is called slicing in Python, friends. Okay, so let's say you don't want to start from the beginning, okay, but you want to start from a particular index, like maybe you want to uh, get the subset of this list from fourth element. Okay, so you can simply say list of 4 colon till which point you want the elements. So maybe let's say something like 10. Okay, so that is how, I mean, we can get the subset of the list using this slicing technique in Python. Okay, so one more thing. Let me show you one more thing here. See, in this case, when we do let's say list of 1 and in the square brackets, if I don't give anything and simple just colon, what it will do is it will give you the entire list. Okay, so because we did not mention the starting point and the ending point of the subset or the slice. Okay, so that's why we got everything. Let's say starting from the starting you want till the 7th element. So in that case you can leave the first section blank, and here you can give 7. Okay, so in this case what will happen, starting from 0 you will get till 7th element. See here, you got it right. Similarly, let's say print, okay, list of 1 colon. So maybe starting from 4th element you want till the end, then you can simply leave it blank after the colon. So you will get till the end of the list. See here. So this is how, guys, I mean, you can check out in the internet. I mean, you will get many more examples about slicing a list. And this is very interesting and very important topic in Python list. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.